say she want.
She carry am, oh my God, oh. I don't know. Everything she carry am, she never talk and I follow her. Blowing up my brain like a bomb blast, yo. Calabar girl, we know they carry last, yo. Hey. Big booty like a two-story, yeah, mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with another wig unit I received from Divaswigs. So this is their 14 inches, and excuse that hair color there is not blood. I just finished coloring my hair again. So this is their 14 inches unit, and the wig density is 150 density, and this is a bob kind of unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try on this unit, you guys. So this unit comes with bleached knots, and also has a transparent lace which is suitable for all skin tones, and it comes with combs and adjustable strips as well.
I say waiting be that you go kill me before my time, yo.
So the unit comes pre-plugged, as you can see right here. The parting looks so natural, the hairline looks so natural as well. This is an easy to install kind of unit. So because my hair is pretty red, you know, the colors don't go well anyway, but I would definitely try by all means to hide my natural hair underneath. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start trimming off the excess lace.
It cause a big wahala. Yeah, nani anti-corporato, mami corporato, anti-corporato. Yeah, nani, hey, come back.
I really love this closure that they used on this unit. It's almost like a full closure, as you can see right here, guys. It is absolutely big and it's so spacious. It will definitely create an illusion that you're actually wearing a full frontal kind of unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Got2b glue. As you see, guys, I'm applying it right towards my front because I still had like some red coloring on my hairline. I was still in the process of, you know, finishing my hair, and I had to do this video quickly because, you know, it was needed urgently. So yeah, I had to pull the wig towards my forehead pretty more so I could hide the red coloring underneath. And this unit is so easy to install, and I really love the versatility of this unit. I love the texture. I love that this unit looks so natural to me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check the description box because there will definitely be a coupon code for you guys, a discount code for you guys to go and purchase a unit from Divaswigs. So yeah.
Flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gotta move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. 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 Shockwaves with you.
You see, I tell her so to make you know they gon' carry me play. Boy, you love me like you dirty, but you know go fit to reach there. Yeah, you know say me, I know they ever gon' carry you play. It's why I got a lot of things on my mind that I want to say. Baby, baby, no delay. Say you want sippy more wait. Baby, baby, no delay. Say you want to pop your rosé.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.